Ladies and gentlemen, I am so happy to see all of you here. At a short notice, I could see so much of influence in Nadi Pariksha. These days, in the allopathic system of medicine, the diagnosis itself has become a very, very costly affair. And yesterday also I met one more person here, accidentally or whatever it is. So he was also quite good. Now, before the luminous speak, you will share his thoughts for a few minutes. Dr. Shaji Raj, you are here? You are going to speak? Okay. Only after talking, I thought having a conference, one workshop here. Thank you.
My salutations to my master and to all enlightened masters. I belong to Kerala. My specialty is, I just want somebody who is not from the medical field. Somebody, please come. One person, not from the medical field. I think we are meeting the first time. We don't know each other.
Yeah, I don't know.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Take out your watch and cell phone.
I think.
No, that's okay. Watch and cell phone. No electronic gadgets. It's okay, it's okay. Just leave it. Close your hand. Say yes or no. Don't give me any clues. Okay. If it is yes, say yes or no. There is a slight constipation. This cannot be considered as constipation. There is a dryness in your large intestine. That means the motion is not pushed out at a stretch. Okay, maybe you may be going once or two times or 3 times a day in a toilet. Is it correct?
Yes.
And there is a negligible amount of mucus in your chest. It is not phlegm, it is mucus.
Yes.
And there is a slight acidity in your stomach. And there is some problem inside the blood. That means the spleen. This corresponds to spleen. Okay. It can be triglycerides, cholesterol, diabetic, or BP, or hormonal imbalance.
Yes.
Is it correct? Say it loudly. They can't hear you.
Yeah, yes.
Okay. And below your navel, the flow of energy is not perfect. That means the Mooladhara, or the earth element, or astrologically, Mercury is malefic in your system.
Yes. Correct.
Correct. And there is a stiffness in your neck as well as the lower part of the spine.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. And your sleep was disturbed yesterday night.
Yeah.
And you are a migraine patient. You have headache or something like that?
Yeah.
Do you get headache often?
A little bit.
Yes. Just wait. Relax. See, the small intestine is good, so the absorption will be good. But there is a problem with this constitution. If you take non-veg or deep fried things or something which is heavy to digest, it produces you heartburn and reverse reflex.
Yes. Definitely.
And this is a sensitive heart, okay, emotional heart. Okay. See, there is the minus part of this. Okay. This can give you ischemic heart problems in future. Okay. The heart is innocent, but the heart muscles won't get sufficient amount of energy. Okay. To recoup that, do exercise. Go for walking, brisk walking, something like those. Okay. We will check this prostate. I may be wrong with this. We will check in your body. That is another type of diagnosis. Okay. Right now, you may not be able to take decisions very fast because the nervous energy, the energy through the spine, the udana, is obstructed in this energy center, in the anahata. Okay. Then you have some problems with the vision?
No.
No. Some joint pain or something like that?
Yeah, it's there.
Okay. And some mood swings will be there. That means in the morning you will be all right. After some time you will think, no, this, okay, that is because of the liver. It is not functioning properly. Okay. And you are not taking sufficient amount of water. But right now it is dry. The kidney and urinary tract is dry. If you are not taking water sufficiently, you will lack the drive in your life, because water, that is the second energy center. Swadhisthana represents the water element. The drive in you, you won't have the drive for your life. That is a negative side of that. Okay. See, this is by organ how we see the pulse. Okay. There is another technique also. It's okay. It's okay. Virgo. No, you're a cap.
It's aquarium.
Aquarium.
Aquarium. Then where you was? What is that?
No. You are an Aquarian by zodiac sign.
Yeah, I'm from September. Born in September.
Okay.
I didn't
That's
get
okay.
you what you said.
If he is an Aquarian, his ankle joint, the energy will be blocked in the ankle joint. You used to get pain there?
Yeah.
Ankle joint pain?
Yeah, it's there.
That's a weak spot of an Aquarian. See, you know how I am telling these things? Sorry, I just want to clarify one more thing. We can cross-check in the system itself how see, I told there is a problem with the spine. Okay, it's paining here. Close your hand like this.
Spare.
Okay, so from the pulse, I told there is a stiffness in the cervical region as well as the lumbar region. But there is absolutely no problem there. The problem is here. In the anahata, the energy is obstructed in the anahata. Now I am checking his heart. There is no pain here. Absolutely no pain. Give me that hand.
No pain. Yeah, it's there.
See, this is the problem with emotional hearts. Okay. Now, the treatment for this. How is it? It's gone.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the flow of prana to the heart is perfect. Okay. Okay. So like this, we can cross-check. So the beauty of pulse diagnosis is you cannot prescribe any bottled medicines or anything like this. For this constitution, we make a prescription of 3-4 drugs and make it into a decoction like that. That is the treatment technique for this. Now the secret behind this. There is anybody knows about Vashi? There is an energy called Vashi. I just want one more person to do a demo. Somebody. Please, someone please. Non-medical person, no doctors please. No doctors please. Because the doctors, they won't. No, please. Sir, 1 second. Come close. Okay. I'm going to press here. Okay. Is it paining? See, I'm going to press here, this point. Okay. Is this gives pain? No pain. No? Non-medical people, please.
No, really it is not.
Yeah, really it won't work. That's why. I will demonstrate why it is. See. The same place I am pressing. Is it paining?
Yes, sir.
See. Now listen, this is very interesting part. Okay. How is the pain now?
No pain.
No pain. I never touched him. This is Vashi. Okay, I will explain that. When I pressed here, 1 second. When I pressed this place, the energy to the Agna, instantly the prana will flow to the Agna, to this energy center. Okay. If you are not controlling that immediately, he may faint or he will get some headache, some disturbance like that. Thank you. Thank you so much. Now, thank you. So now the demonstration of Vashi.
Call some ladies, they are very much interested. Some come, whoever first has come.
One sensitive person and two other people. One sensitive person and 2 other people. Three people. Only three people, please. So who is the most sensitive person? Who is sensitive? Somebody, please. Yeah, you three can stand, no problem. Who is the most sensitive person? Somebody.
You will have to decide.
No.
Look at us and decide. Okay, I think I'm reasonably sensitive. I'm sensitive.
You are a sensitive person. No, I need 3 people. So you be here. You both come. Now, listen. If you see, if there is a chicken egg, if you boil that chicken egg properly, if you peel out the shell, you will see a place like this on top of that. Okay, that is the airbag for that chick. Suppose if God has put an airbag in a chicken egg, definitely there will be an airbag in the human egg also. More for the prana. Okay, actually there are 10 types of prana. Prano, Vyana, Apana, Udana, Samana, Oman, Kurban, Kirharan, Devadatan and Dhananjayan. And there is another prana called Vasi, which is explained only among master to disciple. If you put Vashi, it will become, in the reverse manner, it will become as Shiva. Now, I am showing you the demo of this Vashi. Okay. Now, everybody knows this is a particular marma, this place. Right? So, I am going to press this marma. Okay. How is it?
Pain.
She is telling it's pain. It's paining. Are you a doctor? No problem. She is telling this is paining. Okay, I am going to hurt you. How is this? Severe pain. How is this? See, there is no pain for him. The thing is, one second. The thing is, the Vashi from this place, I have already said it's paining. Then I told him, I'm going to hurt you. Okay. So then I pressed her. Then I again reminded, it's paining. So what happened means, the Vashi in his body knows I'm going to hurt him. So it immediately withdrawn inside his system. Slight pain. Now you see the pain. It's paining. It escaped here. Now I am releasing it. Perfect. Okay. In coma patients, thank you. Okay. In coma patients, this Vashi will hide inside the brain, and there are techniques to revive them from the coma state. Okay. Basically, when you are reading the pulse, we are not reading the physical body. We are reading only the Vashi. Doubts, please.
What is Vashi for English?
There is no term in exact term for Vashi in English. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Have you been practicing this Nadi Vignan, Daksa? Please come.
Me?
Because it is the question of the audience. Maybe they would be no.
Professionally, I passed out in 1992. So 18 years professionally.
Where did you learn this technique?
From master to disciple. That's why I said first itself.
Okay. And have you trained with this kind of examination anywhere else, or do you have any students whom you have trained?
Hello. Till 1 year back, I don't want to disclose these things to anybody. I thought let this knowledge be with myself, because this is a deadly knowledge. If I know to heal, I can destruct them also. So that destructive thing only I was just